Hello everyone, so in this particular video we are going to see about the transform function in a PySpark. It is used to perform a custom transformation in a data frame. For taking example, suppose I have one of the data frame. In this data frame I want to perform some kind of the custom transformation. I want to apply that logic. Then what actually I will use? I will use a transform function. Let's take an example. Suppose I have one of the data frame. In this data frame I have a multiple columns like ID. I have a ID, I have a name, I have a salary, like that the multiple columns are available. Now to transform this data, what actually we have done, we have created one function. What in this function we have written a multiple lines of the code, and we are trying to return the data frame. Now whatever the logic we have applied in this data frame to transform our data, now if this logic if you want to apply in any of the data frame, then with the help of the transform function we can do that. Let's do a one practical, and with that practical let's understand more. So I have a data, suppose I have a data one manish 10,000. I have a column also. Let's first create a data frame first. Df equal to the spark dot create data frame. We will pass the data and also we'll pass the columns. So I have a data like this. I have ID, name and the salary. Now suppose I have to perform some kind of the transformation. So suppose this name column, right? This name column I want to convert into the uppercase. So for that I will write one logic. I will give one example first. So what actually I am doing? I want to convert this name column into upper. So for that I am writing one function. Here I will pass the data frame, and what I will return? I will return df dot with column this name I want to convert into the upper. So we have one of the upper function, and that will convert this name into a uppercase. So this upper we have to import. So for that what I will write? From PySpark dot SQL dot function import upper. So what I have done, I have written one logic. In this logic I have applied what actually I am doing, I am converting whatever the name column is available in a data frame, it is converting into the uppercase. So that is the logic I have applied. So for that I have created one function. Now if this function if you had to apply into the existing data frame, then what actually we will use? We will use a transform function. So let me execute this. It's a return spelling mistake. Now if I want to apply this into this particular data frame, then what I will use? I will use a df.transform function. And what I will pass? I will pass this particular function name. Now if I will do this, and if I will make the show, now in this case my name column should get converted into the uppercase. You can see the name column got converted into the uppercase. So if you have any complex logic, if you have to transform any of the data, so to transform a data you have written one logic, you have written one function, and if that function if you have to apply in any of the data frame, then what we will use? We will use a transform function. So that is the use case. I hope you got the idea.